Hello my internet people, today in this video I'm going to show you how to link PayPal to Mpesa. So it all starts by going to Play Store. You download your Mpesa app as I have shown here. You just click on it and then you register, and once you have done that registration, it means that you will have to scroll down here where you'll see the icon for PayPal. And once you are here, it means that you'll have to click on that PayPal icon, and it will take you straight to PayPal. And if you have not linked your Mpesa to PayPal, it will require you to sign in using your email address and password. But for me, I have already linked to PayPal, so it goes straight to the account. So once you are here, it means that you can be able to top up the money from your Mpesa to PayPal, or you can withdraw the money from PayPal to Mpesa. There are just two options here. And here you can see there's an eye. Once you click on it, it will show you the balance in your PayPal account and the conversion in which you want to make during the withdrawal, such that you will know how much amount you are supposed to withdraw here. So once you come and click withdraw the money, it means that it will actually bring you here where you have to type the amount in terms of dollars, how much you are supposed to withdraw, and then you click next. And by doing so, it means that it will withdraw the money from PayPal to Mpesa. And it's just as simple as that. And if you want to unlink this PayPal from your Mpesa, it means that you come here and then you unlink this account to Mpesa. And it's just like that.